You've got money. How's that sound? Ugh, it's sexy. You've got money. Because that is love, right? You know, people send me PayPal sometimes, you know, and like, I usually ask for it. A lot of times, it's very rare where somebody sends me money and I don't ask for them, you know. Ask and you shall receive. You know, I know that I'm worth it, you know. And a lot of times, you know, you ask God, but then a lot of times, you know, you got to ask people too, right? So, okay, so Wednesday, today's Friday, I'm filming this Friday, April 17th, and Wednesday on the 15th, I had called my friend Evan, and it was a quick call because my cord was broken, and so was I, kind of broken inside that day because I needed my music. I had just gotten my Beats long. I don't want to go into all that emotional stuff and all the stuff that was going on around me, but my friend John sent me Beats. God bless you, man. And you know, it's like they got a special significance because these are my first Beats. Well, we're going to talk about the Beats later, but you've got money, right? Thank you, John, for the Beats. I can't thank you enough, man. But look, so you've got money. You've got money. So I called my friend and said, Evan, I can't talk long. My friend's name is Evan Everhart. And he has a lot of heart, and he's from Erie. That's another E. But he's an artist, and he has a lot of heart. So thank you, Evan. Love you, man. Appreciate you. And he loves Jesus. That's you know, what more can you ask for, you know? So I called my friend, and I met him right before I came out as a musician. I met him at an art opening, and they were having music that night. I was going to watch another friend, another musician, because I was secretly hiding the fact that but now I'm out. Coming out. Seen each other once, and we've talked on the phone multiple times, probably like 8, 10 times, not even, like maybe 5 or 6 times in the past 8 years we've spoken on the phone. We've texted a little bit here and there, but now, you know, so I called him on his birthday, which was Tuesday, the previous day, which was April 14th, and I was like, man, you know, I don't want to get rejected again. Sometimes I call people, they don't never call me back. I text them, they don't text back, and I'll wait a month or 2 or something, and I'll try it again. And I give up on people sometimes, you know. But I see that I was like, nah, man, you got to be confident. You got to do this because look, that's love. Confidence, loving yourself, showing somebody else love, that's loving yourself. And you know what, you can't, love is not expecting anything in return. But I didn't expect it, but he wanted to support me in my art. So the next day he told me that on his birthday, so he was asking me what I'm doing and this and that. So I want to support you, I want to send you some money, I want to buy some of your merchandise or whatever. So I opened it up. So I buy this. I had $5 on me. I bought this, and then I gave the cashier. I'm not bragging. Well, maybe I am. I'm not. But I gave the girl $3. I'm trying to tell you about God and His principles. So I gave the girl $3. I said, "This is for the item, and this is for you." And I think, let me see. I might have deleted it. No. Okay, so I gave the girl $3. She said, for what? I said, because you're worth it. I said, because I'm a giver. I love to give. You know, just take the money. It's only $3. You're worth it. And I said, I said, tienes infinito en valor. You're infinite in value. So she said, thank you. So it was only $3. I said, look, I'm a giver. I love to give. God keeps blessing me, and I'm going to get it back real quick. Just believe me. And, you know, I said, that's why I work so hard. That's why I want more money. I want my financial freedom because I love to give, right? And then I opened up my email right after I did that. And I was walking down the street about to sit down and eat my food and everything, and I get this message, and it says, Evan Everhart sent you $75. But the first thing it says when PayPal comes in your email, it's the subject line says, you've got money. Isn't that sexy? You've got money. But that's love, man. That is any kind of love. Like I said, though. But you can't expect, that's the thing. Jordan Harbinger says, dig the well before you're thirsty. I've never asked Evan for anything in that whole 8 years that we've known each other and cares about you and that you care about them, you know. But you have to dig the well before you're thirsty is what I'm saying. Care about people that can do nothing for you. Show people love that can never, ever do anything. You know, give somebody money that can never give you money. Don't lend money. Give it. You know, if you want to be a millionaire, why are you being stingy? I get $800 a month, and I give as much as I possibly can, and I never, ever, ever go without. I don't think there's ever been a day. So, better words to hear in a sentence, not just when you wake up, but anytime. 3 better words. I want to hear your 3 words, and please don't say I love you. Words that you've ever heard strung together in a sentence. How about that one? You are worth it. And that's what he was saying with the money. You are worth it. Thank you, Evan, with your 3 words. My name, liberty, justice, with my mind on my money and my money on my mind, to show you that you can do anything you want to do.